So the conditions were great, 22 knots of wind, overhead waves, a little trouble from the seaweed, but we had Mount Gay rum and we had some beer and some ice, and the day went well.
So it's one of them mornings that we're getting ready to kick off, and it's a kite surfing competition.
And guess who's going to be involved?
So it should be pretty fun. We are getting ready to head down to Long Beach, and yeah, we'll tape some of that action and whatever we get in. We're at Kite Beach, and we've got competitors. Check this shit out. Has just gone out against William. We got Peter, and then we've got Chris Donovan. So it's going to be a fun run. This is the big boy run, the fellas that do enough tricks. So it should be a good time out there on the water. Check this out, y'all! Woo! Wind is howling, yo. So we should have a good day. We don't know what's going to happen. There's unfortunately a lot of seaweed, but I'd take having some seaweed and having tons of wind over no wind and no seaweed, you know? So yeah, you gotta take the good with the bad, and we're gonna kick off and have a fun day out here. Come back and check us out, y'all. See ya! Good jumps, feeling good overall. Day two of kite surf life, and we've got wingfoiling today. Right in front of us we got an awesome scene. There is a heat that's now getting finished up, so we're gonna go head out and check that out, and it's pretty cool. So we'll show you some of that action. If you just kind of look at the scene, it is a very cool spot right down here on Welch's Beach, Barbados. And yeah, we got a bunch of kite surfers, wind surfers, and of course wing surfers, wing foilers. So yeah, take a look at this. So far, so good, buddy?
Fantastic. The people who put this together were the competitors, so thank you so much for participation.
Barbados Amazing Water Sports Week, January 2023. You're going to kick off, it's going to be absolutely.
Be there!
Yeah, yeah! So we are kicking off the finals of the Barbados Sailing Week, or rather weekend, and everybody's coming to the yacht club, and we're here at the yacht club to have that finale, see the prize given. Of course, it's supposed to start at 6, and it's 6. This is Bajan time though, folks. This is Bajan time, so everything will kick off probably around 7. So we just got a little drink to kick off and to start, and yeah, it should be a fun afternoon or fun evening. We don't know what time this is ever going to end, but we know that there's going to be a lot of rum involved since it's sponsored by Mount Gay. Action! Alright, so we'll see y'all on the next one. Holla!